try to attend this event, especially for the YFC, Youth for Christ, and you would also experience the experiences that we have gathered here. Experiences that provided us to have more faith in God.
I encourage every youth to please come join the Youth for Christ. It's a very good venue. It's really a way of expressing your love for God and showing your love for God. And this is a happy organization. Every youth express themselves.
We are calling also the support of the parents out there. Sana you motivate your youth, lalo na yung mga out of school youth, to join this community.
If you don't have anything to do worthwhile, better join this organization because you will be in the company of good fellow children who will be God-centered, Christ-centered, and of course willing to be of service to one another.
Sana po sumali na kayo sa mga ganitong organization kasi talaga namang makikita mo na nag-grow ng maayos ang mga bata. Napakaganda nila talaga. Napakagaling nila. Dito sila natututo na mamold yung kanilang leadership.
Sa YFC, kayo po ay maraming matututunan. Marami kayong magagather, marami kayong makakilalang kabataan.
This is where they learn how to pray. This is where they learn how to mingle with other youths. They learn so many things about how to deal with other people, how to deal with themselves spiritually.
Join Youth for Christ. In here, you will experience, one, the vibrancy of the youth, honing your talents, giving you the creativity you want to, and most especially, you should be God-fearing and loving of your country.
Lord, allow us to experience you to other people as well. Allow us to share you to other people as well.